Welcome to the Grammar of Schematics, a guide to circuit diagrams. A circuit diagram is the language of electronics, translating complex physical systems into a clear, universal script. Electronics is just another language. To read a diagram, you need to understand three core elements: the alphabet, which consists of symbols for physical parts, the grammar, which represents wires and rules of connection, and the story, which is the logical flow from power to ground. Part 1 is the alphabet, decoding the common symbols of physical components. The regulators manage how electricity moves. The resistor limits current flow to protect other components. The capacitor stores energy temporarily and smooths electrical noise. The directional gates act as strict one-way streets for electrical current. A diode allows current to flow in only one direction. A light-emitting diode, or LED, has extra arrows to represent light radiating outward. The foundation consists of the power source and its final destination. The battery is the power source, starting with the positive terminal. Ground is the zero reference point where electricity returns. Part 2 is the adjectives, adding specific names and values to the alphabet. The anatomy of a component label includes the designator, which identifies the exact part in a component's list. It also includes the value, which is the specific rating of the part, such as resistance or capacitance. Part 3 is the grammar, how lines represent wires and conductive traces. Physical wires can look chaotic, but schematic traces bring order, showing the connections clearly. It's important to differentiate between intersections and overpasses. An intersection, marked with a dot, means the wires are physically connected. An overpass, with no dot, means the wires pass over each other without touching. Schematics also use invisible wires, or nets, to avoid drawing long, messy lines. Any 2 points with the exact same label, such as 5 volts or GND, are considered physically connected. Part 4 is the story, following the logical flow of the entire page. Schematics are designed to be read horizontally, exactly like a book, reading from left to right. Inputs are typically on the left, and outputs are on the right. Electrical flow mirrors gravity, cascading from high energy to zero, so we also read top to bottom. Power, or VCC/positive, is at the top, and ground, or GND, is at the bottom. To trace the path, always start from positive power. Follow the lines through the components and end safely at ground. This completes the entire circuit sentence.